My name is Dan Fulkerson. I'm one of the attorneys at Batta Fulkerson Law Group. I wanted to take a second today to talk about how attorney's fees work on cases. Attorney's fees, with all different types of attorneys, there's different ways that fees work. A lot of attorneys work off billable hours, where you'll go in and you'll pay a certain amount every hour that an attorney works on your case. Some attorneys work off a retainer, where they'll give you you'll pay a retainer and then they'll take away from that retainer as they do work. And other attorneys do work on a flat fee basis, where they're going to set out for you exactly what the charges will be from day one that you meet them. With personal injury, it works a little bit differently, and the reason why is we all work on a contingency agreement, meaning that attorneys on personal injury cases only get recovery if they can, recover for you, and we take a percentage of what we can recover. Now, that's how all, injury attorneys work, is a contingency percentage. The reason why is sometimes there isn't a recovery, or sometimes we would put more hours in than that case value would yield, and then the client would be in a negative situation. So we take a percentage of what we can recover, and the national standard, and the standard in San Diego is a third of what we can recover, and then 40% if it has to go to litigation. Reason being is we front all the costs and all the fees if it does go to litigation, and it's much more time sensitive. So that's how it generally works, but how our office works is different with attorney's fees. Our office is of the belief that for far too long, the attorney has always taken the lion's share, leaving the client with the short end of the stick. And I'm just not a believer in that setup. I don't think that that's the right way to practice law. I don't think that's the right way to treat other human beings. So our office from day one has said that we will never take $1 more in our attorney's fees than what our clients get to their pocket for their pain and suffering and inconvenience after their medical bills are paid. So in other words, from day one, we eliminate any sort of insecurity that it's going to be unfair. We let the client know that it will never be a situation where the attorney's taking more than what you're going to get to your pocket. We will always make sure that that happens, even if we have to reduce our fees. And the reason why is, it's the right thing to do. It's the right way to practice law, and it's practicing law in a way that's not greedy. It's practicing law in a way that puts the client's interests before your own, which is a crazy concept in our industry, because far too long, attorneys have put their own interests in front of their clients. So that's how we work at Batta Fulkerson. If you ever have questions, if you ever have another attorney that you have questions about their fees or the setup, you can give us a call anytime. This stuff should all be very transparent. It shouldn't be tricky. There shouldn't be hidden fees or hidden costs. It should be very, very, very upfront and very transparent for the client. If it's not, that's a warning sign. We're always here to help. Give us a call anytime. Hope this finds you well.